Can I update my Panasonic Smart TV? Yes, you can update your Panasonic Smart TV to ensure it runs smoothly, improves performance, and adds new features. Software updates are usually available through over-the-air OTA updates, USB installation, or firmware downloads from Panasonic's website. 1. Checking for software updates automatically. Most Panasonic Smart TVs support automatic updates if they are connected to the internet. To check for updates manually, Step 1. Press the menu button on your remote. Step 2. Navigate to Setup and select System Update. Step 3. Click on Check for Updates. Step 4. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Step 5. Wait for the TV to restart after the update is complete. 2. Updating Panasonic Smart TV via USB. If your TV does not support automatic updates, you can update it manually using a USB drive. Step 1. Go to the Panasonic support website on your computer. Step 2. Search for your TV model and download the latest firmware update. Step 3. Extract the downloaded file and copy it to a USB drive, FAT32 formatted. Step 4. Insert the USB drive into your Panasonic TV's USB port. Step 5. Go to Menu, then Setup, then System Update, and select USB Update. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. 3. Updating apps on Panasonic Smart TV. If you are using a Panasonic Android TV, apps update automatically through the Google Play Store. To check for app updates manually, Step 1. Press the Home button on your remote. Step 2. Go to the Google Play Store. Step 3. Select Manage Apps and Games. Step 4. Click Update. All to install the latest versions of your apps. For older Panasonic TVs with Viera Connect or My Home Screen, apps update automatically when you restart the TV. 4. Troubleshooting Panasonic TV update issues. If your Panasonic TV does not update properly, try these troubleshooting steps. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent updates. Restart your TV. Turn the TV off and on before trying again. Use a different USB drive. If updating via USB, ensure the drive is formatted to FAT32 and has enough space. Reset your TV. If updates fail repeatedly, perform a factory reset from the Setup menu. Updating your Panasonic Smart TV ensures better performance, security, and access to new features. If your TV supports automatic updates, you can update it via the Settings menu. Otherwise, you can manually update it using a USB drive. Keeping your TV and apps updated will help enhance your viewing experience.